In this quick tip, we'll learn what an action is, how to load an action, and how to find the action in Photoshop Elements. So what is an action? Simply put, an action is a simple instruction that automatically performs a series of commands. Yep, that's it. There are many things that are done in Photoshop Elements in Photoshop that are repetitive. We do the same steps over and over again. It can be very time-consuming. When an action is created by you or someone else, they simply record the repetitive actions and save them. Then when the same steps need to be done again, they can simply run the action. The recorded steps will be done automatically. Back when we got our first business computer, an Apple IIc, I created macros to perform repetitive steps. My husband was kind of hoodwinked into buying an Apple IIc for our business because there weren't many business programs for that computer at the time. So it was basically a glorified word processor. So yes, I know what a macro is. I created them all the time. Plus I cut my teeth using Paint Shop Pro. Well, guess what? Paint Shop Pro uses scripts to perform repetitive tasks. Woohoo! At last, actions were demystified for me when I realized actions, macros, and scripts are all synonymous. Okay, now I get it, and I hope that helps you too. So how to load actions? Loading an action is very easy in Photoshop Elements. Step 1, we'll go to the panel bin, go to Effects, click the little arrow on the drop-down list on the upper right corner, and go to Load Effects. Then locate the effect that you want to load on your computer. Click on it. Notice it ends with ATN, that's an action. Click Load. When you want to find that action later, you'll notice that a new option has been loaded to the effects. Now there are My Effects as well. Any action that you load will be loaded under My Effects. And here's the one that I loaded previously.